Welcome to MqlrobotEAs. In this video, we'll walk through the structure and logic of the double Hammer MTG Trader EA, an expert advisor designed to detect powerful double hammer candlestick patterns and trade them intelligently using FXdreema with no coding required. This EA is optimized for reversal detection, combining candlestick pattern logic, EMA trend filtering, and controlled grid trading strategies. It's built for MetaTrader 4 and is ideal for those who want precision entries based on candlestick behavior. EA Strategy Breakdown. The core logic of this EA revolves around detecting two consecutive hammer candles aligned with the EMA trend. A buy trade is triggered when price is above the EMA trend. Two hammer candles appear consecutively, their bodies meet specific confirmation rules, and the condition is met only once per bar. Conversely, a sell trade is activated when price is below the EMA trend. Two bearish hammers are confirmed, plus the same once per bar validation. Once a position is opened, the EA also includes grid-based trade expansion for scaling into trends using defined distance and lot adjustment settings. Features and custom inputs. You can customize key parameters via EA constants, lot size, take profit in pips, EMA trend period, grid distance multiplier. It also ensures each trade is managed properly, with profit-taking conditions and logic to avoid overlapping orders near each other. Important notes before live use. Although this EA is powerful, you must understand the trading strategy and evaluate the risks before going live. Please backtest thoroughly with 99.9% tick data. Understand market conditions where hammers perform best. Adjust lot sizes and risk settings based on your account. You can download this EA or learn more about it at Mqlrobot.com. Subscribe to MqlrobotEAs for more EA builds using FXdreema, and don't forget to like and share if you find this content useful. Thanks for watching and happy trading!